What can you do with money? Earning money. Have you ever sold lemonade or cookies? Did you make some money? When someone works at a paid job, he or she earns money. This money is called income. People trade the work they do for income. This man is working. The income he earns at work may also be called wages. Goods and services. People use their income to buy goods and services. Goods are things we eat, wear, and use. A good is something you can touch. Services are work done by people for others. Selling cookies to someone is a service. Do you like to make things? When you make something, you create a good. This boy made a sea life scene. Many people have jobs making goods. These people are painting pottery. Pottery is a good. Do you like to help other people? When you do something for someone else, that's a service. Babysitting is a service. Many people have jobs providing a service. Your teacher provides a service, teaching you